Hey, good evening, everybody. This is my NASCAR diecast unboxing channel. So I came back from Walmart with some diecasts that I bought. So here they are, and I can unbox them. And if you have any other ideas of any unboxing of diecasts you may buy, I want to get it for you. And I got a magazine too. It's for 2019. This baseball magazine. It's really good. The first diecast I bought is Chase Elliott, 2018 on Wave 11. And then I got Casey Kane, Wave 11. Then I also got Brad Keselowski, 2018, Wave 10. Then I also got Kyle Busch, Snickers, 2018, Wave 9. Then the last and final one I got is Kyle Busch, 2018, Wave 9, Skittles. And I'm going to unbox them for you. Just hold on a second and I'll unbox it. Here's the hood of the car. And here's the actual diecast. I like this paint scheme. This is one of my favorite Kyle Busch paint schemes since he's been racing. And then the second one I got, I'm going to unbox it. Is this Snickers 18 magnet. And here's the diecast. I really love this paint scheme. It's really good for Kyle Busch. And the third one I'm going to unbox is Brad Keselowski's number 2 magnet. Is this anybody's favorite one? I really like this since he drives it, especially with the new Mustangs that they have. The fourth one for Casey Kane, represents for the fire department of New York. I like Casey Kane. I didn't want him to retire, but I'm going to represent him. That's his magnet. And here's Casey Kane's Fire Department New York Foundation car. And the last one but not least, here's my all-time favorite, because he represents, because of his dad, and he's one of my good favorite drivers I like. he got like 3 or 4 wins last season. I hope I get this, since I got this to represent for some wins this season. Is Chase Elliott's number 9 Little Caesars magnet. Here's the last one of the diecast. Mountain Dew number 9 Little Caesars for Monster Energy. Number 9 Z1 on the front. Mountain Dew number 9 Napa Chase Elliott. I really like how they did the paint scheme on this. So if anybody has any questions or like or comment or subscribe, if anybody likes this video, please subscribe, subscribe or comment on the video. If anybody has any drivers they want me to get, please leave it in the comments, or just let me know if you like on it, and after you view it. Thanks. You guys have a great night. Bye.